Hi, I'm Tom. I'm a physiotherapist here at Wellington Hospital. My role is primarily getting patients up and moving and looking after their respiratory function. So I work in the intensive care department and also on the wards, on the cardiothoracic and cardiology ward. So primarily the patients I look after are post-surgery, post-cardiac surgery or lung surgery, and also sick patients in ICU, primarily with respiratory issues. Quite often they'll be ventilated or they will be on other supports to help their function, and we're there to get them up and moving, rehab them, look after their breathing and get rid of any kind of respiratory issues they might have, such as secretions or lung collapse, that kind of thing. So the best thing about working for Capital & Co CCDHB is the team we have here in the inpatient physiotherapy side of things. Although we all have our different areas, we're a really supportive team. If somebody's particularly busy or needs help, has a very complex patient that they need to discuss, we're often really flexible in helping with that, moving things around. Our manager is really supportive. He still does some clinical work, so he understands some of the problems and challenges we face on the wards. Not just the physio team, but all the other teams I work with, all the allied health teams, social workers, the nurses, the medical teams are all really approachable and they offer assistance and we get on really well. They're often available to discuss any problems you have. If you want to talk through a patient, we're receptive to the physiotherapy side of things. Wellington's a great little city to live in. As you can tell, I'm not from around here. I'm from the UK originally. But Wellington's a pretty cool little capital. It's quite nice. You can kind of walk everywhere you want to go in Wellington. It's quite small and compact. And also the great thing about it is you're never too far away from the sea. So if you like your surfing or your water sports or just being near the sea, you're never too far to go. I can see the sea as I walk home from work back to my house.